All right, we are here at Moto 1 to show the fitment for the 3018 kickstand on the 25 KTM 85. First, we're going to start by removing the 8mm or Torx bolt on the frame guard. And we will just slide that up out of the way. Just kind of slide up the frame there. Perfect. That's really all we need right there, so we can get to this frame inside here. There is a 8 or 10mm nut on the back side down here. You're going to remove that bolt fully. Okay, now that that bolt is back, you can see this little hook right about here. So we're going to show how the bracket is going to fit into that. Yep, perfect. So we're going to go ahead and mount that back in there using the M8x30 bolt that is provided.
It's all about money. If there's not any money to be made, then you know everything's made price per mile, right? So when
So go ahead and leave that snug for now, and then we're going to mount the kickstand. So you're going to put, yep, you're going to use the flat head. So turn. There you go. So you have the bottom bolt here. It's going to line up to the mount that we just installed. And this hook here on the top is going to line up right over the frame guard like that. So go ahead and tighten that in just to hold it into place. Don't over tighten it. This is all just to hold and so we can align everything. So nice and snug, so it's still got a little bit perfect. Then we're going to take the bracket. We're going to slide it behind the back here of the kickstand. It's going to go around the frame. So this is like a clamping system. So we're going to hold that in place. And we're going to use the 20mm M8. Go ahead and tighten that up. Sometimes it gets tricky to line up the threads, but once it goes, it's good to go. And this is where you gotta leave things snug. So see how we're not quite in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up this bottom bolt here. Perfect, just a little bit, and then now we can tighten this up. So see how now it's snugging in there. So that's what we want to see. So that allows this to be super rigid, and then now we can then tighten the bottom bolt, keep this all the way snug. Perfect. Then you would go through, you tighten up the bottom bolt down here, and then so we're going to show, we're going to pull the guard back down and describe where we're going to cut. So essentially, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a knot, you're going to want to cut out this back plate here and down around this tab that goes over the frame, and then so your frame guard can line back up flat for riding. That's how you install the 3018 and 3019 kickstand on the KTM 85s.